3 easy steps on how to apply a tourist visa in China. Step 1. Check and gather your requirements. Filled up application form, type written, 2 passport size picture with white background, 6 months valid passport, all passport issue January 2014 to present need to submit old passport, explanation letter if don't have an old passport, starting August 22, 2016. Itinerary, hotel booking, day-to-day itinerary, Xerox passport front and back page, religious individuals, personal and letter from the diocese, congregation, religious organization, provide a guarantee letter stating that the applicants will not do any religious activity during his or her stay in China, and that is her sole purpose in visiting the country is purely tourism. Note: first-time travelers to China need the following: bank certificate minimum of 100,000 pesos, with receipt, with check write, with account opening date, type of account, and with ending balance 100,000. Bank statement minimum amount of 100,000 pesos for the last 6 months, original. ITR or income tax return, stamped or received by BIR. Employment certificate including the salary and date of tenures. Company ID Xerox if any. Birth certificate, 6 months valid. Marriage certificate if any. Filled up details at bank portion of the passport. Photocopy of all documents submitted. Step 2. Fill out application form and submit. Single entry, pay 2,400 pesos. Submit documents to only accredited travel agencies. No walk-in embassy. Application form in the description box. Step 3. Wait for your visa release. 7 to 14 days processing. Please like and subscribe. Share this to your friend if you think they need this.